Do you want to revolutionize your business with cutting-edge media generation? Discover how AI tools are making it easier than ever to create stunning visuals. Imagine being a full-time content creator without needing any special skills. AI tool we are going to talk about will help you to say goodbye to outdated and unappealing media. Introducing the Leonardo AI that does everything from image generation to editing for you. So why settle for ordinary when you can create extraordinary? Subscribe now to discover the magic of Leonardo AI and unlock your creative potential like never before. Introduction to Leonardo AI. Hey there, fellow digital Picassos. Let me introduce you to Leonardo AI, your new best friend in the world of creativity. Imagine having an art studio right at your fingertips, where the only limit is your imagination. That's exactly what Leonardo AI offers, a virtual playground for unleashing your artistic genius. At its core, Leonardo AI is the ultimate AI art generator. But wait, there's more. This nifty tool goes above and beyond, offering a treasure trove of image creation and editing features that will make your jaw drop in a good way, of course. Picture this, generating multiple high-resolution images simultaneously with just a sprinkle of text or an image input. Stay tuned for other intriguing facts that will be covered in the course of the video. So whether you're a seasoned artist looking to spice up your portfolio or a newbie eager to dip your toes into the world of digital art, Leonardo AI has got your back. Here's an extended version highlighting the features of Leonardo AI. 1. Real-time canvas. Imagine having a canvas that responds to your every brushstroke and whim in real time. With Leonardo AI's real-time canvas feature, your creative journey becomes a thrilling ride. No more waiting for edits to render. Watch your ideas materialize instantly as you paint, sketch, and experiment to your heart's content. It's like having a magical portal to your imagination. 2. 3D texture generation. Ever wanted to breathe life into your 3D creations effortlessly? Leonardo AI makes it possible with its 3D texture generation feature. Simply upload your OBJ files and witness the magic unfold as contextual intelligence adds textures to your 3D assets. From sleek surfaces to intricate details, each texture adds depth and personality, turning your models into captivating works of art. 3. Motion. Get ready to dazzle and delight with Leonardo AI's motion feature. With just a single click, you can transform your still images into dynamic, generative video assets that dance and move across the screen. Whether you're creating eye-catching advertisements, mesmerizing animations, or captivating presentations, motion adds an extra layer of charm and excitement to your creations. 4. Easy integration. Leonardo AI seamlessly integrates into your creative workflow, making it accessible to artists of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding enthusiast, our intuitive controls and user-friendly interfaces ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Say goodbye to complex tools and hello to effortless artistry. 5. Endless possibilities. At Leonardo AI, the sky is the limit when it comes to creative expression. From breathtaking landscapes to whimsical characters, from immersive 3D worlds to dynamic motion graphics, there's no shortage of ways to bring your imagination to life. Join our vibrant community of artists and enthusiasts today, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey of artistic discovery together. Tutorial. To embark on your creative journey with Leonardo, begin by signing up for an account and accessing the image generation tool. Describe your desired image and select a style, then marvel at the results as Leonardo generates 4 unique images for your evaluation. Refine your creation further by specifying a model or style and adding elements to enhance its appearance. Adjust sliders as needed and exclude unwanted elements with negative prompts. Finally, determine the quantity of images you wish to generate and let Leonardo work its magic with just a click. With Leonardo's intuitive interface and powerful capabilities, creating captivating digital art has never been more fun and accessible. Refer to video description link that will even surprise you with the step-by-step procedure for generating media. Advantages. Picture this. You, yes you, becoming the mastermind behind your very own digital universe with Leonardo AI. Whether you're a selfie superstar, a landscape lover, or a PET paparazzo, Leonardo AI turns your snapshots into the building blocks of artistic brilliance. Say goodbye to cookie-cutter creations and hello to a world where every pixel reflects your unique style and vision. It's as easy as pie and twice as satisfying. So go ahead, upload those photos, unleash your imagination, and watch as Leonardo AI transforms them into the stuff of digital dreams. With Leonardo AI, the only limit is your imagination. That is why don't even think about the fact that you may have some imaginary limits. Let's embark on a whimsical journey through the colorful world of Leonardo AI's creative magic. Here are the 5 uses of Leonardo AI. 1. Overhauling video game assets. Leonardo AI isn't just leveling up your gaming experience, it's giving it a makeover worthy of a high-definition fairy tale. Say goodbye to pixelated characters and bland landscapes as Leonardo AI breathes new life into your favorite games, transforming them into immersive digital wonderlands that'll make your jaw drop and your joystick dance with delight. 2. Unleashing creativity in t-shirt design. Who says fashion has to be serious? With Leonardo AI, you're not just designing t-shirts. You're creating wearable masterpieces that'll turn heads faster than a squirrel spotting a nut. Whether you're into quirky illustrations, bold slogans, or psychedelic patterns, Leonardo AI has got your back, helping you unleash your inner fashionista and rock the runway or the sidewalk like never before. 3. Accelerating digital marketing. Ready to make your brand stand out in the digital jungle? Leonardo AI is here to give your marketing efforts a turbo boost. From eye-popping graphics to mind-blowing animations, Leonardo AI helps you create content that'll grab attention faster than a cat chasing a laser pointer. Get ready to watch your engagement skyrocket and your competitors turn green with envy. 4. Streamlining graphic design. Leonardo AI isn't just a graphic design tool. It's your creative sidekick, your digital muse, your ticket to design nirvana. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, designing logos, posters, and illustrations becomes as easy as pie, or should we say as easy as pixelated pie? Say goodbye to design headaches and hello to a world where creativity flows like chocolate in a fondue fountain. 5. Boosting social media content. Want to make a splash in the vast ocean of social media? Leonardo AI is your secret weapon. From Instagram posts to TikTok videos, Leonardo AI helps you create content that will make your followers hit that like button faster than you can say selfie. Get ready to dazzle your audience and become the social media sensation you were born to be. Let's take a lighthearted look at some of the quirks and challenges you might encounter with Leonardo AI. 1. Early Alpha Adventures. Strap on your Explorer hat and get ready for a wild ride through the land of Leonardo AI. Just be warned, you might stumble upon a few bugs along the way. After all, every hero's journey starts with a few misadventures, right? But fear not, brave adventurer, because with your trusty creativity as your guide, you'll conquer those pesky bugs faster than you can say, yeah bug. 2. Credit card capers. Want to unlock the full potential of Leonardo AI? You'll need to sign up for an account and stock up on some credits. Think of it as your digital piggy bank, except instead of coins, it's filled with creativity tokens. Sure, it might require a bit of financial finagling, but trust us, the adventures you'll embark on with Leonardo AI are worth every penny. 3. Artistic ambiguities. The elusive quest for artistic perfection. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, Leonardo AI might not quite capture the exact artistic vision or style you had in mind. It's like trying to teach a cat to play the piano. It's a noble endeavor, but it might not always hit the right notes. But fear not, intrepid artist. With a dash of patience and a sprinkle of experimentation, you'll soon find the perfect harmony between man and machine. 4. Tech troubles. Let's face it, navigating the digital landscape can sometimes feel like exploring a labyrinth of tech troubles. From pesky pop-ups to mysterious error messages, Leonardo AI might throw a few technical challenges your way. But fear not, brave soul. With a little tech savvy and a lot of determination, you'll emerge victorious, armed with the knowledge that every glitch is just a stepping stone on the path to digital greatness. 5. Expectation escapades. The age-old tale of expectation versus reality. Despite Leonardo AI's impressive capabilities, there may be moments when your expectations soar higher than a rocket ship, only to come crashing down to Earth like a deflated balloon. But fear not, fearless dreamer. Remember, creativity knows no bounds, and with Leonardo AI by your side, every setback is just a plot twist in the epic saga of your artistic journey. In conclusion, while Leonardo AI may have its quirks and challenges, it's all part of the exhilarating adventure of creativity. So buckle up, brave adventurers, and get ready to embark on a thrilling quest through the digital landscape with Leonardo AI as your trusty companion. And there you have it, folks. As we wrap up our whirlwind tour of the Leonardo AI universe, I can't help but wonder, what do you think about Leonardo AI? Is it a digital dream come true or a quirky adventure full of surprises? Let me know in the comments below. I'm itching to hear your thoughts. Now, before we say goodbye, here's an interesting fact to pique your interest. Did you know that Leonardo AI is named after the legendary polymath Leonardo da Vinci? That's right, just like its namesake, Leonardo AI embodies the spirit of creativity, innovation, and endless curiosity. So whether you're creating digital masterpieces or embarking on daring adventures in the realm of imagination, remember that Leonardo AI is your trusty sidekick, guiding you every step of the way. And hey, if you've enjoyed this journey through the wonderful world of Leonardo AI, and let's be honest, who wouldn't? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest creative escapades on my channel. Make sure that you consider and follow up the guidelines provided on video to boost your viewer experience and business growth on your field. After all, with Leonardo AI by our side, fun is just getting started. So until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep unleashing your inner artist with Leonardo AI. Catch you on the flip side, fellow adventurers.